2021, year 2011. I just bought a new full HD video recorder, so I'm going to test its video quality. Okay, so now I'm using a full HD at 1080p resolution. So let's see how good the video is. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's make a full flight.
Hindi nga makahabol yung focus.
Oh, mabagal focus, no? Yeah, that's what I noticed with the HP.
Ilapit mo lang konti para
yeah.
hindi na masyadong makita yung malayo, hindi niya ma-focus.
Okay, it's only at 20x.
Hindi ko naman sinuzoom. Ang problema kahit i-zoom mo, kung hindi ma-focus, problema din.
Fly slow na lang, slow. And try to keep track.
Oy, mag-ingat kayo, killer helicopter to.
Ano? Smooth bang video?
Hindi natin malalaman kung hindi mo playback sa HD TV. Hindi kung dito lang sa LCD, hindi mo masabi. Kasi may compression pa yan eh. Malaman mo kung may HDMI out ba siya?
HDMI nga eh. Hindi ko pa nasusubukan eh. Pasan ko on na.
Mas wala na siyang makita sa mata. Kasi gusto mo i-zoom in ko.
Ay, wag na.
Pag zoom ko, hindi makahabol yung ano. Bukan natin.
Lamins na.
Hindi ko makita dahil nasa taas yung hours eh. Pag bumaba ka, makikita ko yung minutes. Magpa 5 minutes na.
Anyway, the timer is 5 minutes eh. So let's over exactly 5 minutes.
5 minutes na.
Yan. Stick long, okay. Okay, fly for exactly 5 minutes. Thank you.